I'm a town papa. I'm in here with Jim Papa. I'm a fit your dadashi. Only I make a jet.
Charlie, the girl, she's crazy. Charlie, last night they didn't use you. I'm so the chicken no look at my shadow who name you once and my fine. Yeah, I bought everything. I'm sorry, who is in the kitchen?
I made you breakfast. Oh, nothing.
Bro, let me call you back in. Excuse you. Why are you still here?
I don't know, this myself question. Why are you asking me that question?
Are you supposed to be gone?
Go where?
Who told you to go inside my kitchen? Ahana,
Menti Andra reference some more catch me.
No, forget it. Some and me kind.
Now you san can say na me medi we chiaba.
There some na make actually. It's just a one night thing. Like one time thing. So why?
What show me yes I am money be. One time thing saying.
I thought we hook up and I'm boy.
Me hook up. What show me say I am money be. And I reference some more catch me. Andra.
I was drunk.
You were drunk?
Yes.
Last night I was me so pampine. Show me say man on we one night thing no. And some more catch me na refi.
See. Bema de ono munsa. He's a whole different being. But in some hours walking and also GD.
And me family, me ni baby ako. And some now I can come with you. Uko bini natsina. Ube me fine. Ube so me mube koko me. Na ke say things na me di we shi ba fi.
You can't be here. I have a girlfriend.
Unim so a girlfriend na be family. Usi me so pampan no. Na refi so a girlfriend.
I don't want bon so anasa.
Me want bon so me ni baby ako.
Sorry.
Na some now ka me. Ube me ni baby ako.
Club there, like people get drunk and then they say a lot of things which they don't mean.
And then I'm here to stay.
Look, don't let me force this. Let mommy force you. I'm sorry, because I'm your girlfriend.
Mini baby ako. Usi me so pampan na nim so a girl. Now nim so a girl. Mini baby ako.
Share, mommy force you. Sorry.
Okay,
we shall see. Yeah,